Hello guys, everyone. Can Gadget Pro. What if Amazon delivery didn't need a delivery guy? No truck, no traffic, just a guy to fly. Drone crying packages through the sky. This is a DJI FlyCart 100, and yeah, this thing is white. If you think drones are only for YouTube shots and weddings, think again. DJI stepped into real world logistics. And the FlyCart 100 is built to work. Let me break it down. Simple, fast, and no tech hats. Skip this video till then if you like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So let's go. This is not a normal drone. The FlyCart 100 is designed to carry heavy packages, supply and equipments where tracker can't easily go. Mountains, countrysides, confused disaster zones. Why it matters? Compared to the regular delivery drone, this thing is a flying pickup, no scooter. Massive payload capacity, the biggest flex. It can carry serious weight. We are telling industrial level payloads, not pizza box. Think medical supplies tools or bulk deliveries. Stand-up point. Most consumer drones lifts camera. The FlyCart 100 lifts business operations. Smart reach and drop system. Here's where it gets futuristic, instant offloading every time. The FlyCart 100 can lower packages using a witch system perfect for rooftop, ships or on human ground. Quick comparison. Traditional delivery drones most land this one sense. No, I will just drop it simply. AI navigation and obstacle awareness. This drone is smart. It using advanced sensors and AI to avoid obstacles like buildings, trees, and cables even in complex environment. Young pros who should get this. This is the kind of tech companies want on your resume. Yeah, automation plus logistic built for harsh conditions. Rain, wind, dust. The FlyCart 100 is designed for real world conditions. Not perfect Instagram weather. Stand up. Consumer drones stay home when it rains. This one clock in like 9 to 5 employees. Who is this actually for? Let's begin. This isn't for weekends vlogger. This drone is for delivery startups, compose logistic and emergency services, construction companies and future drone delivery jobs. For students and young professionals, this take future career paths in drone ops, logistic AI and smart cities. Why DJI FlyCart 100 is a big deal? DJI didn't just make a drone, they made a flying logistic system. Compared to the older cargo drones, FlyCart 100 is more automated, safer, and more particle-less pilot. Stress more stability. The DJI FlyCart 100 shows where tech is going. Not just cooler gadgets, but smarter way to move the world. If you are students thinking about future tech job or a professional watching automation change everything, this is the kind of innovation you should be paying attention to. So let me, would you trust drone delivery for your packages? And where do you think drones like this should be used first? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I will read you everyone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like if you want more guys. Subscribe and the bell icon for more gadget videos.